Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to mass delete records in Salesforce. We are going to discuss this topic in both the edition in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. So before we will proceed to learn how to create it, we will first discuss what is mass delete records in Salesforce. In Salesforce, mass delete records is defined as a method that permits the users for deleting the records and cleaning up the data and delete duplicate records. This can prevent the data from traffic and the data should be neat and clean. For implementing the mass delete record in Salesforce, we can select the records we want to delete and click on the delete button that is present under the records. The mass delete records can be implemented on the variety of records like leads, accounts, contacts, cases, solution, products, reports, and activities. This method can help the user for saving their time, smooth the data management process, and also be helpful in large and complex data set. So now we will proceed and learn how to mass delete records in Salesforce Lightning. So here I open my Salesforce account. So we will first learn mass delete the records in Salesforce Lightning. For this we have to firstly move to our gear icon. This is my gear icon. Click on it, and under this gear icon there are two options. First one is setup and another one is service setup. Click on the setup option. After clicking on the setup option, the setup page is open. Now enter the mass delete records in the quick find box, and you can see that there is a mass delete record option. Click on it. After clicking on the mass delete record option, you can see that the mass delete record page is open, and here you can see that the mass delete records are present like mass delete accounts, mass delete leads, mass delete activities, mass delete contacts, and here we are selecting the mass delete leads. After selecting the mass delete leads, the mass delete leads page is open. Here the first step is to review what will happen when we are deleting the mass delete our leads. If we are deleting all our activities that are associated with the leads, once the data is deleted, it will be moved to the recycle bin. And the second step is to strongly advise to request and receive a weekly export of our data before running mass delete. And the third step is to find the leads and match the criteria. Now select the lead status that is equal to open not connected, and then click on search option. After clicking on the search option, under the permanent delete section, the records are seen that will match the criteria. Select the records which you want to delete. Here we are selecting the first 4 records and then click on delete button, and you can see that the records that we are selected are not shown here. This is how we can mass delete the records. Now we will proceed and learn to mass delete the records in Salesforce Classic. So for the Classic edition, we firstly move to our profile picture. Click on it, and you can see that there is the option switch to Salesforce Classic. Click on it, and you can see that we are moved to our Classic edition. So here we can mass delete our records. So firstly we are clicking on the setup option. After clicking on the setup option, entering the mass delete records in the quick find box, and click on the mass delete records option, and the mass delete page is open. And here we can see that the mass delete records are present like mass delete accounts, mass delete leads, mass delete activities, mass delete contacts, mass delete cases, mass delete solution, and mass delete products. And here we are selecting the mass delete accounts option. After selecting the mass delete accounts option, the mass delete account page is open. Here the first step is to review what will happen when we are deleting the mass delete our account. If we are deleting all the activities that are associated with our accounts, once the data is deleted, it will be moved to the recycle bin. The second step is to be strongly advised to request and receive a weekly export of our data before running mass delete. Here the third step is to find the accounts and match the following criteria. Firstly, we are selected the account owner alias that contains the name, then click on search option. After clicking on the search option, under the permanent delete section, the records are seen that will match the criteria. Now select the records which you want to mass delete. Here we are selecting the Burlington text count, edge communication, gen point and pyramid construction. And now click on the delete option. And you can see that the mass records that we are selected are deleted successfully. So with this, we have learned how to mass delete the records in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.